Any ideas why I'm getting a delay after clicking Save As or Download in Google Chrome? I'm running Google Chrome. When I do anything that does save a file to my local file system, right-click and Save As, click a download link, save an image, nothing happens for a good 20 to 30 seconds, and then suddenly the operation proceeds as normal. The browser remains responsive whilst this is going on. I can navigate to other pages and so on, but the delay is infuriating. Especially since it often looks like nothing's happening, so I hit the download link again, and then suddenly end up downloading 4 copies of the same file. Any ideas?
One, disable hyperlink auditing. Click images to enlarge. 2 and 3. Clear your cache, as this can actually slow down initial download connecting, since it looks for previous metadata first. In Settings, clear browsing data, select any non-defaults as suits you. Four, check for bad or old suspicious certificates, malware, etc. can be injected via certificates being implanted and sites being redirected. Cert pinning only helps if these are not system trust certs. For list of valid or common ones, your search engine of choice should return a healthy list. In Settings, Manage Certificates, you must click Show Advanced Settings first to see it.
The same happens on my computer. I have the default download directory set up to save to an external USB hard drive. The drive always has to spin up before the file is saved. You can hear and see this process very clearly.
I know this isn't technically in Panzer per se, however, it drives me nuts too. What I have found is that Chrome is checking for updates, which causes the delay. Next time it happens, click the Customize icon in the top right corner, click About Google Chrome and just below your existing version, you will see it checking for updates. Once that process has finished, the downloads begin as normal. It usually only happens to me once per session, but it's still infuriating and I don't know how to prevent it from occurring.
I ran into this issue a few months ago, on a freshly built computer. The slowdown began after 3 months of use. I am actively researching this problem. Here's what I've been able to find out so far. I installed Chromium and Google Chrome Canary to test them for the problem. Google Chrome version for 3.0.2357.81m, 64-bit, Google Chrome Canary version for 5.0.2417.0 Canary, 64-bit, and Chromium version for 5.0.2418.0, 64-bit, they all have identical behaviors in terms of Windows Explorer being slow for myself. All of these browsers having the same issue is a good pointer for the origin of the problem, as Google Chrome is developed from Chromium. This may also suggest a fundamental, global, software bug with Windows Explorer. Other web browsers, such as Mozilla Firefox and Internet Explorer 11, do not show any of these slow behaviors. This suggests that the problem is mostly related to Chrome or Chromium, and that it is not a file system problem. Disabling phishing and malware protection is a suggested solution, but it has not worked for me. Running Cleaner is also a suggested solution, but it has not worked for me either. I will update this as I find out more. I hope it helps someone.
Anything to do with the file system, I'd get a copy of Process Monitor. This URL? Then see what's happening on the file system, filtering on your path. See if Chrome is waiting or another process.
Before you go on, Donald, just some soft cider.